Clicking on feed on the top menu will take you to our activity feed. This is a Facebook-like feature which brings together all of the activity that's happening across the social platform. In the centre here is our main feed. This will pull in any pieces of activity from all members, and you will see groups information that you are a member of. If new events are posted, they'll show here. Any new blogs that are posted will show here. Any updates that users are posting, they'll also show up here. Any documents uploaded to our group, they'll show here too. This is a great place to go. It could be the first place that you enter when you start social for the day, and will give you a good overview of happenings across the platform. Outside of the centre feed, we have our newsletters. So every week we send out our Friday digest. If for some reason you're not receiving the digest, it's going into a spam folder, for example, you can view our digests from the main feed, and it will give you a nice overview here. What's happening is overlay. Here is our latest blogs. So again, you can visit the blog page, but you can also see any new updates that are happening from the newsfeed. And again, our training articles that are being posted, you can access these directly from here. You'll see our recently active members in the top right, and you'll also see all upcoming events on the most recent 5 events that are happening. And you can choose to click on these, and you can also see any new active or popular groups. If you want to post to the feed, you can do so from here. You have some basic functions. You can format your text, upload an image, a document, a GIF or an emoji. You can choose to post this to your profile or directly into a group that you're a part of. You'll have your groups here. We're only a member of one group at the moment. So we can post directly into a group from here, or we can choose to go to the group to do that. For posting to the profile, that means it will be posted into everybody's main feed. You can choose to make this public for all members or only me. So this is a private post only for me. It's added itself to my newsfeed. You can search the newsfeed if there's a post that you've seen that you think is relevant and you want to find it again. Or you can scroll through. We have a never-ending scroll, so it will load when you get to the bottom of the page. So have a look around here, have a look at our latest newsletters, blogs, training, events, members and posts, all from one handy page.